everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be my official entry into the under 1,000 subscriber group build hosted by Joe at Big Sky Model Workshop, and the torch was passed to him by Mike over at the Model Speed Shop. Thank you guys for hosting this, and Mike, thank you for hosting it in the past. And I built a kit last year for this, and this year I'm building this, the Motorhead tour truck. This is Revel, Germany, a skill level 3, 1/32 scale. It's got 102 parts, and the kit number is 07654. That's 07654. I've been waiting for a while to build this, and I'm going to be gifting this to a buddy of mine who is a super Motorhead fan. He has one of these tattooed on his entire back. Don't ask me why he did that, but I wouldn't do that. But anyways, this is going to be a fun kit. I can't wait. Oh, look, the paint's included. You got a paintbrush, and you got some glue with it as well. I have the AC/DC version of this, and they also have a Kiss version of this. I don't know if they have any other versions. I haven't looked it up, but yeah, let's get into this. I've never built a 18-wheeler before, so I'm looking forward to this. And we got a huge bag of parts. I'll open that up later. Here's the paint and the glue and the paintbrush. That's kind of neat. Let's look at the decals. So here's the decal sheet. A little cupped, but I don't think that's going to matter. Yeah. So this guy Lemmy, he's no longer with us. Passed away. Actually, he passed away right after the Motorhead motorboat tour. And my buddy, my army buddy, asked me to go on this cruise, and I didn't go. But he had a great time, and that was like the last time Lemmy was alive. But kind of regret not going, but pretty cool though. Got the instruction sheet. Like I said, Revel, Germany. Got all the color codes. Very clear directions. Yeah, this is going to be a fun build. So I'm up about 909 subscribers, and I'm hoping this group build might put me over the top, over 1,000. That would be cool. You know, it's not that important, guys and girls. To me, I don't even look. I've probably looked at my analytics probably 3 times since I've been on YouTube. And it's not really that important to me. So bag of parts. What I'm thinking I might do is I might do a complete build of this, because I haven't seen a lot of these built on YouTube. So I'll go ahead and get this out of the plastic. I should have did this off camera. looks like we got the bottom of the truck bed itself. Nice crisp molds. This is a limited edition. They're kind of expensive now. They've gone up. Not so much the KISS one and the AC/DC one, but this one has gone up. There's the tires. These are plastic tires, and that's no problem. Let me get some of this out of here. Everything's in bags. I like it. Here's the cab. Nice looking cab. This is a curbside kit, and there's no problem with being a curbside kit. These curbsides can build up to be really nice models. And here's the chrome tree. I'm going to leave that in there, but not a lot of chrome. Here's the fuel tanks, the horns, the wheels, the side mirrors, the front grille, the big smokestack. Pretty cool. Here's the trailer. Very nice. Very nice trailer. I don't see any flash at all. Very cool. I should have had these open, but I didn't open up the kit until I put it on video. We got the suspension parts, the engine from underneath. So you know, in these curbside kits, it looks like there's an engine from underneath, but these things build up to be really highly detailed. Here's the interior. And he's got his bed right here. Very cool. So obviously it's a sleeper cab. The last bag. A lot of parts though. 102, not bad. Some more wheels and suspension parts. And some more suspension parts. This is going to be a fun build. And the thing I noticed is there's no flash at all anywhere on this. It's very cool. Nice crisp mold. So that's it, Motorheads. I'm saying that because Mike always says that on the entry of his videos. And I'm also going to be calling this a appreciation build for Mike for hosting this over the years. And Joe, thanks for taking it over. This is an awesome group build, and I'm glad to be a part of it. Thumbs up, not thumbs down. Whatever makes the world go round, right, Sean? All right, everybody. I'll be doing some updates, and thank you again, Mike. Thank you again, Joe. Peace out, everybody. And have a wonderful rest of your weekend. I'm out.